How to report a lost or stolen Tangerine card. If your Tangerine card is ever lost or stolen, you can quickly report it through the Tangerine mobile app to keep your account safe. Start by opening the app and logging in with your client card number or username and password. From the home screen, tap the menu icon and select the card you want to report from the list of your products. You'll see an option to report lost or stolen card, so go ahead and tap that. The app will walk you through simple steps to block your card right away so no one else can use it. For security, you may need to confirm your identity with your PIN, password, or a code sent to your phone. Once confirmed, your card will be blocked instantly, which means it cannot be used for purchases, online shopping, or ATM withdrawals. The app will then give you clear instructions on how to request a replacement card and where it will be sent. This process ensures your account stays protected and you'll have a new card on the way without any delay. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.